now. We are the best in the world of Genesis. One love, Afromusic, Mr. Lexicon. African woman, most beautiful woman. Let us unite and bring back the African glory. African woman, oh, most beautiful people. Join us today as we restore the African glory. My African woman, you're the beauty that make me crazy. Cause I love my woman, she was born in African flavor. She was smooth and clean, it's the nature of African woman. She was pretty and good, that's the beauty of an African woman. As he shout from my Instagram, I'm paying her dues from my MONIEPOINT. I'm out here for my beats, let me there here, I have no time to repeat. My African woman are the slim, naturally sweet. So my physical physically good. Yes I know. Yes I know. You're strong in the world, no doubt. Africa is the world number one, no doubt. Woman is so strong in the world, no doubt. My African woman, most beautiful woman. Let us unite and bring back the African glory. African woman, oh, most lovely people. Let us unite and bring back the African glory. African woman, oh, most beautiful people. Let us unite and bring back the African glory. And step into. Alright. I start to do the reading of this song non-stop, flowing to the lyric of the good luck, casting my waves to the world non-stop. My music don't blow to the air once more. My African woman come down non-stop. And you know now, I'm making the better place. Africa is the best, number one, no doubt. Everybody come understanding we are moving the places, going to places in the world now. African woman, oh, most beautiful people. Let us unite and build out the African glory. African woman, oh, most lovely people. Let us unite and bring back the African glory. I start to do the rhythm of my song non-stop, flowing to the lyrically hit good luck. I'm casting the waves to the world now.